Everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I will have the water test on the brand new, just released Motorola Moto G 5G Plus. So yes, you heard it right guys, this phone comes with 5G enabled inside it. 5G is now the major thing now, where the next generation connectivity, the next generation speed, where you have fast gaming, fast internet browsing. Watching Netflix will be amazing on phones like this. It also has an amazing 48 megapixel quad camera setup at the back and ultra wide 2 cameras at the front. So it comes with an amazing spec. If you didn't watch my unboxing and review of this phone all in one video, please do watch it. It's an amazing phone. It handles so many things. And I actually brought this phone with me today to the Thames. I actually tested whether it is water resistant, and as you will see in the next clip, this phone is actually water resistant. I'm actually filming the review for this phone and it's raining, so I just took the advantage of testing it in rainwater, and as you can see it works pretty well. There's no lag to it. I'm assuming every single phone that is released works well in rainwater. But yeah, so it is water resistant. Guys, as you can see, I'm letting the rain get inside the phone, and you can see it is water resistant. I'm 100% sure it's water resistant. A phone can't just get damaged if rain falls on it. Most manufacturers claim that if rainwater falls on their phone, nothing should happen. So let's actually see. Is it water resistant? Yep, perfectly working fine. So I think it is water resistant. So I've been leaving it in the rain now for the past 10 minutes and everything's fine. Nothing's wrong with it. So yeah. So guys, as you saw, this phone is water resistant in rain water. So if you're bringing it outside, going on your phone, checking your Instagram or checking your emails outside, it wouldn't damage the phone. But if you actually drop this phone into a pool of water, or let's say in seawater, I can't demonstrate seawater because I don't have any salt to put inside, but if you dropped it in water, or in a swimming pool, or if you dropped it, under high pressurized water, let's say you were under a waterfall and water was falling on your phone, would it actually affect the phone's performance? So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is open the cold water and see. It's under low pressure, and just see what happens. Okay, so I'm literally pouring it on the phone. I'm going to put it inside the generous 3.5mm head jack that Motorola supplied, and as you can see, completely flawless. You can actually even unlock underwater. It doesn't miss sort of sense that unlock mechanism there. Pretty amazing. So now let's put it under high pressure and see what happens. Wow, no way. And let's just submerge it in water and see what happens. Oh my god. So let's say you're in a hot tub and you're having these bubbles as well. Literally, look, I'm putting it in. Look, I'm shaking it in. Making sure every single part of that water goes in the phone. Literally, look. Okay, give it a little shake. You don't even have to shake it. You can see that the water molecules just slide off the screen. I don't even have to wipe the screen. Other phones, even my Note 10 Plus, when I submerge it underwater, I have to give the screen a wipe with a cloth. Otherwise, it would be too sensitive for the screen, and it would actually turn on the screen when I don't want it to turn on, or touch the screen when I don't want the screen. So the water molecules would actually touch certain icons incorrectly. So this one, you can see. Okay, if I just turn it off and put it back on, not turn it off but unlock it, if I show you, I don't have to do any of that. I don't have to wipe the screen. It works perfectly fine. I can still go on Google I can still browse the internet, I can still go, you know, on these things perfectly fine. You know, I can still zoom in and out without any lag. So yeah, I think this phone is amazing. Not only the features that it actually offers, but the water resistant, and I can confirm guys, this is also waterproof. So if you did drop it accidentally into a pool, of course I'm not responsible if you do that, anything happens, but if you did do that, the phone would be fine in my opinion. Now guys, this is just my opinion, so don't go ahead and, you know, throw your phone in the pool or think that it's fine, but I think if you dropped it accidentally, it would be perfectly fine. You know, let's say if I watch a YouTube video, you know, let me see if the speakers go bad. So if I just go on library and go on one of my videos, just to see if like the audio quality is bad. Okay, increase that. Accidentally you're washing the dishes, I don't know, whatever you've done. The phone will do properly. The fingerprint scanner. Okay, I can tell you the sound's a bit grainy, but as soon as I do this, it goes away. It works, but yeah, you can hear that. I can tell you the touchscreen sensor does work, everything works perfectly fine. Cool. Now what if okay, I can see it's a bit acting up now. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe and see what happens. Okay, I gave the phone a quick wipe and I can see it's perfectly fine again. Put the phone under a high pressure. I just think it's fine. Yeah, there you go. The speaker's fine. The speaker's fine, guys. The speaker's fine. An amazing phone. I would say for the price you're paying, guys, £300, you're getting a Qualcomm 765 chipset. You're getting a 48 megapixel quad camera. You're getting an ultra wide front camera. You're getting amazing fluid gaming that you can play at 60 frames per second, like Fortnite for example, Call of Duty Mobile, games that you can't play properly on other phones for the same price that you're paying. You're getting an amazing spec phone, you know, and especially it being waterproof as well. This probably would have to be my best budget phone of 2020. Out of all the phones I've seen other YouTubers reviewing and the phones that I've actually had myself, this phone has to be the best budget phone, especially for its price. Really like it. I'm a big fan of these phones. I know a lot of people nowadays are very picky in terms of brands. Some people are in the Apple ecosystem, some people are in the Samsung ecosystem, some people hate Motorola. You know, Motorola is a brand which some people don't respect, but this actually made me gain some respect for this brand. And I would highly recommend this phone to anyone that wants a phone, an entry-level phone or a flagship phone for a very good price. So I'll leave all the necessary links down below, guys. Please go ahead and check them out. And I will catch you guys later. This is an amazing phone. Have a nice day, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Bye!